In this video, I'll show you how to restore deleted transactions in QuickBooks Online. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account and open the company you want to use. Next, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Now select Audit Log to review changes made to your QuickBooks account. After that, use the filters to find the deleted transaction. You can filter the user, date changed, and events, so it's easier to locate the transaction you need. Next, find the deleted transaction in the audit log and open it to review the original details. QuickBooks Online does not provide a direct restore button for most deleted transactions. Instead, you'll need to recreate the transaction manually using the information shown in the audit log. Now open the appropriate transaction screen, such as invoices, expenses, sales receipts, or bills, and create a new transaction using the original details. Make sure the customer or vendor date, amount, products or services, and accounts match the deleted transaction. After that, save the recreated transaction and review your account records to make sure everything is correct. If the deleted transaction came from a connected bank account, you may also be able to find the original transaction in the Bank Transactions section and add it again. Finally, review your reports and account balances to confirm that recreating the transaction produced the expected result. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to restore deleted transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.